Welcome to Finqu's Command Bar. The command bar is a faster and smarter way to manage your store. Instead of clicking through menus, you can search, navigate, and take action from one central place. Think of it as your control center for daily work. With the command bar, you can quickly find products, orders, customers, settings, and other important areas of your store. This helps you save time and stay focused. You can also use the command bar to move between views instantly. So if you need to jump from an order to a product or from a customer to store settings, you can do it in seconds. But the command bar is more than just search. It also gives you a new way to work with AI and agents inside Finqu. You can enter commands in natural language, launch actions faster, and start tasks without going through multiple steps. This means you can spend less time searching and more time getting things done. To get the most out of the command bar, use it as part of your daily workflow. Open it whenever you need to find something, move quickly, or trigger a task. In short, the command bar helps you manage your store with fewer clicks, faster decisions, and better flow.